Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. In this video I'm gonna be showing you some cool stuff, mainly for people that want to do some dynamic text, and this is something that you can pretty much do on any of the Wix websites. So let me name this animations. And I also want to apologize, I've been very busy working on a big project I'm going to be sharing with you guys pretty soon. So I haven't been able to upload new videos, but I'll definitely going to be doing it pretty soon. So again, I'll be uploading more content very soon. And again, this video is going to be on creating some text animations that you can use for anything. So you can add it anywhere on your page, but commonly the one thing that people want to do these days is add some kind of banner at the top of your menu where you can add some text, right, or some type of animation. So what I will do is I'll add any type of slider, a strip, my bad. So let's add a strip there. And then the second thing I'm gonna be doing here is I'm gonna go into the plus little button, and then I'm gonna go here where it says interactive. Once you're here, you wanna scroll all the way down to here to find a box, a slider. So we're gonna add this right here. And usually what I tend to do is I'll delete all this because I want to just focus on creating one single design, and then from there you can make copies as you wish. So now that I just have one, I'll delete this text because I want to add my own stuff. I'll change the background. So in this case I can do like white color, and then I'm gonna do clear. So I have that there. Now I'm gonna go to the settings, and then on the settings I'm gonna say auto place on loading, and then I want it to be 3 seconds because that's the minimum amount you have. And then I want to do like a vertical effect, so it goes up or down. Then once I do that, I can also select if I want it to go from the bottom or from top. So that's something that you can decide. And then I'll go on design, and I'm gonna hide everything else. So first, actually, I'm gonna go in layout, my bad. So it's gonna be on layout. We're gonna hide the arrows. We're gonna hide the little buttons. So it should be like that. So now we just have an empty box right here. We can add our text, and you can add anything. So it could be a text. It could be something like, I don't know, like an icon, whatever you guys like. So let's do something like this to make it more custom. So you can do something like this. So I will make it as small as possible, something like that. I'll put, let's say, a white color because it's gonna be on top of this one, and then I'll make my text a little smaller. So I'll leave that 30, and then here I can put something like news, and then I'm gonna center it. Then I can make this as small as possible, and then I can add it right there. I have my little icon right there. So now I can move it up here, and now it's attached to the box. Again, you can put it anywhere you like. And as you can see, now we're gonna add another one. So we're gonna duplicate this, and the second one is not gonna be news. We can say something like vlog, or you can name it anything. And then we're gonna add one more. I'm gonna click on the box. We're gonna do another one, and this one we're gonna name it something like, so we have news, blog, and we can also say like sign up now, something like that. So we can, now the cool thing about doing this is that you can customize your text, but you can also add a link. So if you want to make sure this, when they click this box right here, or these letters right here, or words, you can send them to a specific page. So we can go to animate YouTube animations, and then you can set all your sliders to be like that. And you can also change this shape if you don't want the same one for all of them. You can select something else. So let's find something like we can also do phone, for example. So let's say we do that one. So as you can see now, it's just gonna go start working on its own. So it should start sliding, and then that effect you can adjust it as you want. Now what I discovered is that you can also use a slider in combination with some animations. So you can even make it something like this. So let me show you. So first you see everything is just going up and scrolling, right? But when we go back here and I click just on the text, I can, not on the box, but on the text, I can select an animation. So I can do something like a customize and make it go like from this side. So it's gonna enter like that. Then I'm gonna move to the next one, and then on news, let me first make this white so we can see it. And then we're gonna select an animation, and this one we can do something like let's see, yeah, something like that. And then now we're gonna do the last one, which is gonna be blog, and this one you can do like also set it up as you wish. You can also again connect it to a page. So, and then we can do another animation, and this one we can make it go from the bottom corner, like right here, and we can play it, so like that. Okay, so as you can see, the slider is gonna go up and down, but it also has its own effects. So now you kind of like mixing it up, see? So that's pretty cool because you don't need to install, there's an actual app that you can use to do these things, but unfortunately it's not very useful, doesn't work, it has a lot of errors. So you can do things like this. I start testing something a little bit more crazy. So let me show you another thing that I was doing. So I can drag this here. I'm gonna delete this ones, and I'm gonna delete the text in here. Oh, so we're gonna delete the text in this vector, and then we're gonna make this one a little bigger right here. So this is another thing that you can do, or this is how you can use it. So let's say you add some kind of like huge text like this one, right? And then you can say something like we build, and then here you can set an animation. So this box right here, you're gonna put it as close as possible, and then we're gonna copy this, we're gonna put it inside the box, attach, and then we're gonna say, for example, apps, and then wanna make sure I'm gonna change the color so it's very bright and it looks different. And then here we're gonna manage the slides, and we're gonna add another one, and then we're gonna add another one. So we're gonna start with the first one, and the second one is gonna be, let's say, websites. Let's expand this one a little bit more, and then the third one, it's gonna be something like we build funnels. So you can pretty much use it for anything, but this is what it should look like. So once it start going, it gives that effect to the text. So you can literally play with this, do anything. And the coolest part about this is that it works good on mobile. So if you adjust it right now, of course it's gonna be all messed up, but if we go and adjust it here on mobile, you can pretty much do something like this, right? And then we're gonna adjust this like that. And let's make this a little closer. Here you go. So again, it's gonna work the same way. So once it start going, it's just gonna change. We build websites, we build like funnels, but you can use it for anything. Again, it's just a text effect that you can use, and you can again combine it with other things like this one right here. The thing about these sliders, if you want people to click on something, right, you gotta make sure that you select the effect. So for example, on this one, on the settings, it says auto place on loading and it stops on hover. So if you don't want it to stop when people move the mouse on top, then you can turn it off. But if you don't care, then you can leave it there. Now, if I have a URL, I will want them to. I want it to stop because I want to be able to, for them to click on it. So I wouldn't turn this off if I have some links embedded into it. So hopefully that helped you. And again, I'm gonna try to upload more videos pretty soon. So let me know how it goes. Please comment your website so I can take a look at what you did. And if you have more ideas or you need more help on doing specific things, just let me know. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Take care.